Hey everybody, just wanted to show you a quick video on showing you how to use a couple of toggle clamps. These are Armor Tool auto adjusting toggle clamps. This one here has the 5/16 finger on it. It's just a rod that's bent down. It's fully adjustable, going in and out with this. This one is just a rubber neoprene with a knob. Same clamp on a post. What we're going to end up doing, we're going to take this laser burnout and going to lay it on the side of the table here so that we can tack on a detail, which is this plate right here in this vicinity. First thing I'll do is I'll just kind of hold this down. So I'll put in my toggle clamp, just get it somewhat there. That holds that part down, won't move. Next thing we got to do is we have to take and scribe our line from here and here, which is about 1/4 inch. And we'll make a little mark there. Make a little mark there. Make a little mark there. Make sure this is clean. Take and lay this on our marks. Right there. Next thing we'll do is we'll take in and take the next clamp. Take the hole. Come down in the middle and then hold that part down. No, it's not going to go anywhere. At that point, you can take and this is just anti-spatter. Normally you can put it in your gun, but you can lightly spray your table too. It won't hurt anything. And then let me tack this part real quick. Alright, that's that one. We'll move this up out of the way. Put this one here. Keep him out of the way. The next one we'll do, we're going to take and we're going to add another detail right in this vicinity. Again, you take your clamp and just set him here for right now. Just show you how these things can hold your work pieces down. Real easy. This is another little part. I don't really have to scribe anything for it. It has a couple little bump outs right here. And this is 3/4 inch. This is 1/16 inch. So that gives me my right dimension. These two little knockouts, those little buttons go inside the holes. Can't really go right or left. It pretty much locates it. At that time, you can take and hold your part down so it won't go anywhere. Again, lightly spray it with some anti-bug juice. Put on your gloves and we'll tack that part, and that sub-assembly is done. That's just how fast you can make some of these prototypes. That part's done.